Well, this is step one of the XRS Overland Truck Bed Rack. This is a GoRhino product and it's from Upfitter in Australia. They're the distributor of this thing. And this is essentially the place that we are going to store our rooftop tent on the back of our vehicle. So it's an entire framework where you can mount stuff on the top, off the sides, hang it underneath, do all sorts of stuff with it. And I think it'll look pretty cool. At the moment though, it's just step one. Lay everything out on the lawn and start bolting together. This is like Meccano for adults.
So with some trial and error, Josh and I set about assembling my new tub rack.
I like I bought one.
As we laboured, the frame was starting to take shape. Although I'm still not sure how these ratchety things work.
Just Pat using a ratchet the exact right way.
A few taps from the convincer and we were almost ready to get it on my F-150.
Do it.
It was finally time to get it bolted in place. This is one really unique addition to my F-150. I love it.
Well, that beats a day in the office, mate. That is productive. I feel like we've done something.
Yeah, we've made a whole overland rig, sort of.
We have. Gee, she looks so much different to what it did this morning.
Better though.
Better, much better, yeah. But, time for you to go to bed, Ford.
I thought you meant me.
I think it is beer o'clock, mate. What do you reckon?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's roll.